Donald Trump has said that Canada will have to pay $61 billion to benefit from the US's Golden Dome missile defense system if it remains what he called a separate but unequal nation. Writing on his Truth Social platform, the US president added that Ottawa would not have to pay anything if it became our cherished 51st state. Maha Siddiqui has been tracking the finer developments for us. She joins us live from Vancouver at the moment. Maha, so Trump saying that Canada will have to pay $61 billion for the Golden Dome or become his 51st state. How is this threat being perceived in Canada's political circles?
Well, this comes, interestingly, a day after King Charles III made a statement from the parliament, a speech from the throne, to be precise, about what King Charles III did in Ottawa. And that was, in fact, to send a message to the United States about the sovereignty of Canada. And this statement by Donald Trump saying that either Canada pays $61 billion for joining the Golden Dome or becomes the 51st state of the United States comes in the backdrop of that speech from the throne by King Charles III. So this is an interesting timing, coming at a time when Donald Trump had not mentioned or referred to Canada as the 51st state from the 6th of May, really, since the last conversation happened between Prime Minister Mark Carney and US President Donald Trump. But today is also the day when a federal court looking at international trade in the United States has also paused the punishing tariffs, the Liberation Day tariffs that are also called the Trump tariffs for some time, though the Trump administration has challenged that order. But that is also very closely linked to the friction between Canada and the United States, because the Canadians believe that economic coercion is being used as a means to weaken Canada and carry out the annexation. So all this very closely linked, and all these developments taking place within the last 24 hours. Parmeshwar.
Maha, as always, thank you so much for breaking down the latest details for us.